Alright, so we're going to start up the Benco 2026 test 5. We're going to start up with our section 1s. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Number 1, 56,904 subtract 7,826. When subtracting, we always start on the ones column, which is on the right hand side. So we have 56,904 subtract 7,826. 4 cannot take away 6, so we borrow from the nearest whole number, which would be 9. So we have 8, here becomes 10. 10, now we can take 1 from the 10, here becomes 9, here becomes 14. 14 take away 6 is 8. 9 take away 2 is 7. 8 take away 8 is 0. 6 cannot take away 7, so we take 1 from the 5. Here becomes 4. Here becomes 16. 16 take away 7 is 9. 4 take away nothing is 4. So 49,078. Alright. Number 2, write in words. We have hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, thousand, hundred, tens, and ones. So when reading this together, when reading the numbers, we read the tens of thousands and the thousand as 1, and we read the tens and ones as 1. So this will become 100 and 49,000 600 and 32. Alright. How many sides are there in 6 heptagons? A heptagon has 7 sides, so 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. Number 4, round off 29.54 to the nearest tenth. If we round it off to the nearest tenth, we look at the 10th value and the 100th value. The 100th value is less than 5, so we leave the 10th value the same. So and replace all the numbers on the right hand side with 0. So this would be 29.5. Number 5, arrange the fractions in descending order. Alright, so looking at this or these fractions here now, we realize that all the fractions have the same numerator. Alright, so when we know now, when the fractions have the same numerator, right, the fraction with the smallest denominator would be the largest in size. So they want us to put it in descending order from the largest to the smallest. So therefore we'll put 1/2, then 1/3, then 1/4, then 1/6, and then 1/12. Alright, descending order. Number 6, 2 oranges were each evenly cut into 12 equal slices. Jake ate 1/3 of the total slices. How many slices did he eat? So first we have 2 oranges, and each one of them are cut into 12 slices. So the total slices would be 12 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 24 slices. He ate 1/3 and asks how many slices did he eat. So to find out how much he ate, that'll be 1/3 of the total slices, which is 24. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 24 is 8. So is 8 by 1 is 8 slices. What percentage of the shapes shown have only one line of symmetry? Only one line. So we know A has 1, B has 1, C has 1, D has 1, H has 2, O has 2, S and X2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want it as a percentage. So to express it as a percentage, we multiply by 100 over 1. And that will give us 40%. Number 8, we have 5 wholes, take away 2 and 3/5. So what we will do, we'll take one from the whole, so this remains with 4, and we'll make that whole into a fraction. And we know the denominator here is 5, so that whole as a fraction will be 5/5. Take away 2 and 3/5. Alright, so we'll take away the whole numbers. 4 take away 2 is 2. Now we take away the fractions. 5 take away 3 is 2. Alright, so we have 2 and 2/5. Number 9, Jessica has 21 boxes, each holding 345 plums. How many plums does she have altogether? To find out altogether, we just need to multiply. So 345 multiply by 21. Alright, you could do this anyhow you wish. You could start by multiplying by the tens digit, so the ones by the tens because of the distributive law. You could even multiply the ones by the ones first, that's another way. Or you could even offset it and multiply like this. Alright, whichever way you want to multiply is accepted for SE. Alright, for me I will multiply the ones by the ones first because we are custom adding with the ones, we are custom subtracting with the ones. Alright, so 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Now we multiply in the top row of numbers by the second digit. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, we put the 10 outside, cross the 0, line it up in the tens column because it was the tens digit we multiplied by. 4 by 2 is 8, add 1 is 9, 2 by 3 is 6. Follow the space with zeros and we add. So you have 7,245. Number 10, Jaron has 1 and 2/5 liters of juice in a jug. How many milliliters does he have? So we know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So 1 and 2/5 liters is equal to, now we change this to an improper fraction and then multiply by 1,000/1. Because to change from liters to milliliters, we multiply by 1,000. So we're doing the same here, just we change it to a fraction. So 1 by 5 is 5, add 2 is 7, so we have 7/5 multiplied by 1,000/1. 5 into 5, 1, 5 into 10, 2, add the 2 zeros. 7 2 is 14, and add the 2 zeros in the end, so we have 1,400 milliliters. Number 11, Amanda woke up at 7:30 a.m., which is 40 minutes late. At what time does she normally wake up? So it was late, so therefore we have to minus the time. So 7:30 a.m. take away 30 minutes will give us 7 a.m. And now 7 a.m. take away, we know we need to take away 10 minutes again to make up the 30 minutes. 10 minutes is equal to 6:50 a.m. Alright, so she normally wakes up at 6:50. Number 12, the perimeter of the shape shown is 78 centimeters. What is the length of AB? So that means when you add up this side, this side, this side, and this side, you get 78 centimeters. To find out the side AB, it will be the total, which is the perimeter, take away the sum of the known sides, which is 30 centimeters, add 15 centimeters, add 13 centimeters, and that will be 78 centimeters, take away 58 centimeters, leaving us with 20 centimeters. How much heavier is box B than box A? So we have grams, we have kilograms. I want to know how much heavier box B is than box A. So what I will do, I will change them both into the same units and then move from there. So I will change B into grams. We know 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So for 3 1/5 kilogram, to convert from kilograms to grams, we multiply by 1,000. So we change this to improper fractions. So 5 3 is 15 and 1 is 16/5. Multiply by 1,000/1. And that will give us 3,200 grams. I want to know how much heavier it is. So it is heavier So 3,200 grams, take away 2,005 grams, which will leave us with 1,195 grams. Alright, you can even have your answers in kilograms if you wish, 1.195 kilograms. Shown below is a bicycle. Calculate the discount price of the bicycle. So we just want to find out how much discount you're receiving. So the discount, so it's 15%. So percentage is out of 100, multiply by 1,800 over 1, cancel the zeros, 15 by 18, that will give us 270. So $270 in discount. Number 15, how many cubes are missing from the box to make it completely full? So we know now the volume of this box here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That are 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 5 by 4 by 4. 5 was 20. 20 by 4 is 80. So we know this can hold 80 cubes. I want to know how many are missing to make it filled. Alright, so how much you need basically. So from this 80, we take away how much it has already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So take away 23, and that will give us 57. So it's 57 cubes are missing. How many quarter turns does angle X represent? So we know 4 quarter turns make a complete revolution. At present, there's this quarter turn represented here, and then we have this part here is X. So this is 1, 2, 3 quarter turns. Name the solid that is made from a rectangle and 2 circles. Alright, a rectangle and 2 circles, that is a cylinder. What is the modal number from the list below? Modal means the most common number from the list. Good, so it would be 3. The mean of 15 and 25 is equal to the mean of 17 and what other number? So that means when I add up 15 and 25 and I divide it by 2 because it's 2 numbers, you get an average. Same thing here when I add up this 17 and this other number and I divide it by 2, you get the same average. Which means that the sum of these two needs to be the same as the sum of these two. Because that's the only way when you divide it by 2, you'll get the same mean. So to find out what the other number is, first we need to find the sum. So 15 plus 25, that will give us 40. So to find out what the number is, it will be 40 take away 17, which is equal to 23. Number 20, the pictograph shows the number of lollies sold by Johnny in a day. Johnny sold a total of 56 lollies. How many lollies does one of that represent? So first we need to find out how many graphics we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These two join together, 14. So 14 of the graphic is equal to 56 lollies. So 1 of the graphic will be 56 divided by 14, which is equal to 4. So 1 represents 4 lollies. Alright, and that's it for section 1. We continue with section 2 and 3 in another video.